Mark P. Otten back with you. Okay, this is how you run a correlation in R, just a correlation. A lot of times there's like bigger models or statistical problems where you run multiple things. Maybe you run a correlation in addition to some other things. No, that's not this video. This is just the correlation. You just have two variables and you want to correlate them. And so I've imported a small data. This is an extremely small data set from SPSS. It's the same data set that I use in my correlation in SPSS video. And it is real data, but the real data was a gigantic data set. This was 4 moms reporting on anxiety during pregnancy and then birth weight of the baby. So I guess 4 families here. Imported the data from SPSS, 2 variables, that's it. And then I've got a line of code here that's going to get you a correlation. Now, I named my data set correlation regression because I'm also using this for a regression example later. It's a long name, so it kind of cluttered up the line of code here a little bit. My apologies. I should name things with shorter names. Anyway, the command that you want is cor.tst. That goes at the front. Then there's a parentheses. Then there's the name of your data set, correlation regression, $ mom anxiety. So that's telling R, okay, $ means this is the variable that I'm going to specify, mom anxiety, that's the first one. Then you do comma, and then you do correlation regression again, $ birth weight. So you're specifying the first variable, that's like the X, and then you're specifying the second variable, that's like the Y. So you're just specifying the variables there that you want to correlate with each other. And then you do comma, method equals C. I guess C stands for correlation. Parentheses, quotation marks, Pearson. Now, in another video, I talk about Pearson and why it's weird that we name things after him. And anyway, so I don't love the fact that it's Pearson specified here in the code and the name of Carl Pearson. But anyway, that's how you get the correlation. So you go quotation marks, Pearson, end the quotation marks, end the parentheses again. Whew, lots of parentheses. Okay. And then you run it, and you're going to get your results here. Your correlation is down at the bottom, negative 0.7078. A very highly negative correlation. Wow, this is extremely high on the negative side, but the p-value is 0.29, so it's not significant. We only had 4 people. So don't be distracted by the t-test here. That's, we ran a correlation. It's giving you some t-test results at the same time. It's also giving you a confidence interval. Don't worry about it unless you want to. We've got the correlation, we've got the p-value. And we're, in this case, not rejecting our null hypothesis. We're concluding that the correlation is not significantly different than 0. That's it.